Yeah. Alright, what you do is you pull this right here back. Remember, like that. Now you grab up there and you pull back all the way and let it up. Whenever you're ready. You pull the. Wait a minute. Alright, there we go.
Woo!
Yeah, that was loud.